Hi my dears, previous class discussed about the 1 to 20 question and today class discuss about the 21 to 40 question. Let's start now. One question, what is the purpose of using PPE in electrical work? Option A, to enhance productivity. Option B, to comply with regulation. Option C, to improve communication. Option D, to reduce cost. Option B is correct answer, to completely with regulation. Next one, 22 question. Why is it importance to variation insulated global when working with electricity? Option A, to keep hand warm. Option B, to improve grip. Option C, to improve electrical insulation. Option D, to prevent chemical expose. Option C is correct answer, to provide electrical insulation. 23 question. When should a face shield or goggle be worn in electrical work? Option A, only when working with high voltage. Option B, only when working with low voltage. Option C, always when working with electricity. Option D, it is not necessary to wear place protection. Option C is correct answer, always when working with electricity. Next, 24 question. What is the purpose of warning form resistor clothing in electrical work? Option A, to prevent against fire handles. Option B, to improve visibility. Option C, to enhance compact. Option D, it is not necessary to warn from resistance clothing in electrical work. Option A is correct answer, to prevent against fire handles. And 25th question. Each of the following should you avoid doing if a person gets electrically shocked and in contact with a source of electricity? Option A, call 108. Option B, if fire, turn off the power or source of electricity. Option C, touch him, her or directly with your body. Option D, use a safe object to improve the source of electricity. Option C is correct answer, to touch him or her directly with your body. 26th question. When moving a source of electricity away from a victims of electricity shock, you can use an object made of each of the following material. Option A, cardboard. Option B, plastic. Option C, wood. Option D is all of the answer are correct. To shock of the electricity is resistance material. D is correct answer. Hardboard, plasticity, wood, all are the correct answer. What is immediate action should be taken to result victim if he is still in contact with the electrical power supply? Option A, pull or push him from the contact by hand. Option B, inform you authority about this electric shock. Option C, call someone for helping to remove him from contact. Option D, back the contact by switching off the follow powerfully. Option D is correct answer. Next, about the 28th question. Each of the following is a common case of resistational fire. Option A, strictly electrical wiring. Option B, cooking accident. Option C, smoking material. Option D is all of the above. Which team you have fire resistance? Option D is correct answer. Next, about the 29th question. Each of the following is a correct action to take during a fire evaluation. Option A, take the evaluator to exit the building quickly. Option B, stay in your room until the fire is extinguished. Option C is use the nearest exit of fire exit route. Option D is wait in a closest until help arrives. Option C is correct answer. Use the nearest exit or fire evacuate route. Next 30 question. Each of the following should be avoided during a fire emergency. Option A, panics are run through the flames. Option B, use an elevator to evacuate. Option C, cover your mouth and nose with a wet cloth. Option D, alert other by activating fire alarms or calling emergency service. Option A is correct answer. Phoenix and run through the farm. One question. What is the primary purpose of a fire drill? Option A, to test the effectiveness of fire extinguisher. Option B, to prevent evaluation procedure and familiarize occupant with exit route. Option C, to internally start a controlled fire for training purpose. Option D, to access structural drainage used by a fire. Option B is correct answer. Primary purpose of the fire drill. 32 question. Each active fecal respiration without is to be performed to the victim with injuries on the chart and daily. Option A, suffer method. Option B, mouth to mouth method. Option C, mouth to noise method. Option D, Nelson's arms left back pressure method. Option D is correct answer. Nelson's arms left back pressure method. Let's support the 33rd question. Who will you diagnose the victim is suffering under Corgos agent? Option A, get pain in final ground. Option B, mouth will be closed tilly. Option C, heavy swimming on the stomach. Option D is affector blue color around this lip. Option D is correct answer. After blue colors around this is lip. 34 question. What is will be first aid to be given to stop the building of a victim? Option A, applying ointment. Option B, keep the injury pointing upward. Option C, covering the hood pointing by a dressing. Option D, applying pressure over the injuries portion. Option D is correct answer. Applying pressure over the injury's position. Let's about 35th question. Each is the golden hour for the wisdom injuries on this head with risks of dying. Option A 15 minutes. Option B first 30 minutes. Option C first 45 minutes. Option D first 60 minutes. Option D is correct answer. First 60 minutes. Let's about 36th question. Each condition of the wisdom is referenced as coma stage. Option A unconscious but can respond to call. Option B continuous but cannot respond to call. Option C breathing but cannot respond to call. Option D live totally senseless and do not respond to call. Option D is correct answer. Coma stage is the life totally sensitive and do not respond to call. Let's about the 37th question. Each of the following is not objectives of first aid. Option A securing life of victim. Option B providing comfort to victim. Option C keeping the condition of victim stable. Option D is none of the above. None of the above answer. 38th question. How many compression and breath should you do for each cycle of CPR? Option A 15 compression 2 breath. Option B 30 compression 5 breath. Option C 30 compression 2 breath. Option D 15 compression 5 breath. Option C is correct answer. 30 compression and 2 breath. Let's about 39th question. Draining and blending are used to. Option A reduce the victim pain. Option B reduce the internal bleeding. Option C help control bleeding and prevent infusion. Option D make it easier to make the victim to the hospital. Option C is correct answer. They help control bleeding and prevent infection. Let's about 40 question. What is the first thing you should do for someone you suspect as was an electrical burn? Option A check for breathing and fuse. Option B check for C is electrical is turned off. Option C check for severe bleeding. Option D check for shock. Option B is correct answer. Check for C if electricity is turned on off. Thank you for watching video lecturer.